Here's how to make money with Twitter. And no, this isn't about posting threads or building a following. Open a new tab and go to trends24.in. When you land on trends24.in, you'll see a drop-down menu at the top. Click it and select your country. I'm using United States for this example, but you can pick any country you want. You can even drill down to specific states. You're looking at everything trending on X in your country right now. But not every trend is worth your time. Here's how to pick the right ones. Follow 3 rules. First, it must be within the past 3 hours. Fresh trends are still growing, and people are actively searching for content about them. Second, it must be in the top 3 positions. Higher rank means more search volume. Third, check the statistics. Click on any trend, and you'll see the rank, best position, number of tweets, and how long it's been trending. For example, Thomas Frank is trending right now. Number 1 position, first hour trending, 240 tweets. That's perfect. It's fresh, and almost nobody has covered it yet. There is one problem. You see Thomas Frank is trending, but what does that mean? Who is Thomas Frank? Go to x.com and click on Grok. Grok is X's built-in AI with real-time access to everything on the platform. Just ask, I see Thomas Frank is trending. What is this about? Grok searches X and tells you instantly. In this case, Thomas Frank is the Tottenham Hotspur manager, and there's been news about issues surrounding his position. Now you know exactly what happened and why people care. If you're not satisfied with the first trend, go back to trends24.in and pick another. Try Broncos at number 2. Ask Grok again. It tells you the Broncos game just started. Keep doing this until you find a trend you understand and feel confident creating content about. Just knowing what the trend is about will not make you money. Stay in Grok. Type this. Write a script about Thomas Frank trending news. Don't include section markers, and don't include a placeholder for the channel name. That's it. Grok writes the entire script in 30 seconds. Clean, structured, ready to use. Copy the entire thing. And by the way, if you're recording on a weekend like I am, you'll notice most trends are sports related. You can combine multiple trending sports topics into one video. One script covering 3 or 4 trends. But for this example, we're sticking with 1. You've got your script, but text doesn't make a video. Go to Google AI Studio. Make sure you're using Chrome so you don't run into issues. When you land on the homepage, click Text-to-Speech. Select Single Speaker. Use the Flash model. It's free and works perfectly for this. Paste your script in the text box. Clean up anything you don't want in the voiceover. In the description field, type Professional News Commentary Tone. Click Run. Wait a few seconds. If you hit a rate limit, just split your script into smaller sections and generate them separately. Once the audio is generated, click Download. That's it. Professional voiceover. 0 cost. Your audio is done. Go back to X. Click Explore and search for Thomas Frank. Scroll through the results. You're looking for posts with images or videos. If it's an image, right-click and save it to a folder on your desktop. Name the folder something like Thomas Frank. If it's a video, click on it and copy the link. Open a new tab and search X Video Downloader. Paste the link. Click Download. The video downloads without a watermark. Keep doing this. Save 5 to 10 images. Download 5 to 10 videos. Then, go to TikTok. Search Thomas Frank. You'll find more user-generated content. People filming their TVs, reactions, commentary. Same process. Copy the link, search TikTok Video Downloader. Paste the link. Download without the watermark. The key is diversity. You're not stealing from one news outlet. You're aggregating publicly shared content from real users. This is exactly how news channels operate. You've got your voiceover. You've got your footage. Now you need to stitch it all together. Open CapCut. No need to pay for it. The free version works just fine. Create a new video. Select 16:9 aspect ratio. Upload everything. Your voiceover audio file, all the images you saved, all the videos you downloaded. Drag your voiceover into the timeline. Then drag all your videos and images on top. CapCut automatically arranges them. Add simple transitions between clips. Adjust the timing so the visuals match what's being said in the voiceover. In case you haven't caught up to it, we're creating a news channel on YouTube and monetizing it with ads. But does this really work? I know you're skeptical. Here's a channel doing exactly this. It's called Mint. 1.38 million subscribers, 622 million total views. And look at their estimated revenue. 9.3K to 30K per month. The strategy isn't to make one video, It's to make 10 to 15 videos every single day. Why? Because the process is fast and trends never stop. Every few hours, something new is trending. But what about copyright strikes? What about reused content flags? You're doing transformation. You're aggregating publicly shared content, writing original scripts with AI, using AI voiceover, and creating news commentary. That's fair use. With this strategy, you can easily earn over $30,000 plus per month. Now, this strategy I've taught you today can pay you a lot of money. But the problem is, you have to wait for your YouTube channel to get monetized before you start earning the big money. If you want to make money today, then check out this playlist that shows you in detail how to open accounts in high-paying side hustle sites.